am Deepan Jadasai. I am studying 7th class. I am from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam, Gulganda.
I am Deep Ridgway studying in 8th class. I am coming from Dr. P. R. Ambedkar Gurukul, Guruganda. This is my project. The project name is Bad Engines Observing Towers.
The project's aim is observing bad incense smell, filtering it to prevent ozone layer. In this project, high-speed rotating motor sucking the bad harmful gases in the tower. Next, in the base of the tower, hard particles are stopped in the first filter. First filter. Next, in the second filter, soft particles are filtered. Next, air entered in the water tank. Next, next water is mixes with water. Next, after should be water purified. We uses that water for irrigation and